What up, though, Jammers? I had to slide to Chicago for some work, and I actually got booked for another day. So I got a free day to thank you so much. So I got a free day to explore Chicago. So I'm gonna get some content, do some performance. I'm gonna go down to the Bean, check that out. I'm at this restaurant, Cafe Roby. I actually just stayed at the Hotel Roby. Great hotel, very cozy and all that shit. But yeah, first is breakfast, so salud. Oh, you see that shit? That shit about to be fucking bomb. So my breakfast, brunch, whatever the fuck you want to call it, was fire. I do recommend y'all going to the Roby Cafe if y'all happen to be in Wicker Park, Chicago. I'm about to board this Blue Line for the first time, and yeah, let's see what this public transportation is. Now, I was about to catch an Uber, but this shit was only $5 all day, so I was like, I'm a public transporting ass nigga today. Bro, my back is sweating so fucking much right now, cuz it's just crazy. Like dripping sweat. So yeah, guess I'm about to slide out to the next location, see what's really popping out here in these streets. Just trying to smoke, though, honestly. Oh God, look at that view. Sheesh. Look at that fucking view. That's crazy. I think I'm going the wrong way, honestly. But we'll find out as soon as I bend this corner. As soon as I bend this corner. Well, I need some tending to. But that shit fire. Nice little fountain. I'm kind of like just ducking out, smoking my little tweeds. I'm down here in the Navy Pier. Just a little vibes, cocktails to go. I got mine. Hey, that's me. That's me. That's me, bitch. One more time for the one time. Don't cross chain. Nigga, watch me. Figure out how to fucking wear this hat properly, first of all. Because, little bitch, you better shut up. No, my bad. That ain't my child.